Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make an end portal in Minecraft Creative. This can work for all platforms. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. All you have to do is right here in Minecraft, I'm on Bedrock, get started, and then from here go to Creative, choose whatever character, and then play Minecraft. From here, press E to open your inventory. As you can see, you can find everything from sort here. You will search for end stone. And as you can see, this is the end portal frame that you're going to get. Drag it and put it right here. Then you're going to look for Ender Pearl. So as you can see right here, the Eye of Ender is the one that you're exactly going to search for, and you're going to keep it with you right there. And then you're going to find an empty place like this, where you're going to add a 3x4 matrix box so that you can place the end portal. So start by doing like that for 3 in here. Then you're going to put 3 more right there. Then you're going to put 3 more like there and make sure this space is empty. And then you're going to put the last one, just break anything under it like that. Then this is important. You're going to have to put these in the right direction. So you're going to put 1, 2, 3. And then so if you put something like that, it's not going to work. You have to like just repeat it again. So you're going to just put it like that. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to just 1, 2, 3, and there you go. This is the end portal, and if you just jump in, then you're going to be transitioned to the end portal right there. And if you just dig up through enough, then you can see that we are right now having the Ender Dragon, and we are right there. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.